So we're gonna be reviewing the jungle map. If you've not already, I said jungle again. Swamp map. So we're gonna make our way to the swamp. Where Shrek lives, basically. Come this way. My controller's hitting together. I'm falling. Let's stop our fall damage a bit. I think we should explore the edges of the map. Do that. We could explore the edge of the map, bro. You just used the platform. Because, like, you died a million times earlier trying to get up here. Stop going blah, blah, blah. Just go blah, blah. Get your stupid up here. Ugh. Yeah, let's monkey around the top of the map. So there's a punch button and there's a revive button. On our controllers, there's a punch and there's a revive. Yeah. Yo, what's that hole? Should you hang on it? Yo. Wait, I need to revive you. No, I pressed the wrong button. Now you fall. Oh my god. No! He's gone. All because I pressed the wrong button.